Today we are learning biology and we are learning reproduction. We start by defining reproduction. And you find that reproduction is a process whereby living organisms will give rise to new species of their own. That is reproduction. We look at now the importance of reproduction. Why do organisms give rise to new species of their own? So you find that we give rise to species of our own because we want to continue the species for continuity. Continuity of species so that they don't go into extinct. Two, you found that we want to replace species who have died. So we replace dead species. So these are the two importance of reproduction. We look at now the types of reproduction. And we have two types of reproduction. We have sexual. So with sexual reproduction, you find that we have two gametes. It is the fission. Fission means coming together of the two gametes to give rise to a new species. So when we say fission of gametes, we mean the sperm and the cell, when they come together, they form a zygote which will grow into an embryo, and therefore they form a new species of our own. The second type of reproduction is asexual. So with asexual reproduction, there is no fusion of gametes, but we found that a mature organism will grow into new organisms, will divide into new organisms. So we'll be looking at how this asexual reproduction takes place, where a mature organism will give rise to new organisms. So next we are going to look at some terms that we use under reproduction, and this is cell division. So with cell division, we found that it is giving rise to new cells from pre-existing cells. So you found that you have cells which will divide with two methods, mitotically or meiosis, during meiosis, to give rise to new cells. And under this cell division, we have two types of division. So we have types of cell division. So with these two types of cell division, we have one called mitosis, and we have two known as meiosis.